Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see divisibility. Whether the number is divisible by 2, 3 or 4 or any number. Okay. Let us see. Why the divisibility check is required? There are many benefits. The benefit number 1 is we can simplify the number, fractions. For example, 33 over 88. How to simplify this fractions? How? 33 is 3 times 11. 88 is 8 times 11. This is divisible by 11. 88 is divisible by 11. So what we can do? You cancel it. So 3 over 8 is the simplified fractions. Okay. The second one, to find the highest common factor. To find the highest common factor is, if you know the divisibility, we can find the highest common factor, 11. Here highest common factor is what? 11. Okay, to find the factorization, for example, 33x squared plus 88x. Okay, take 11 out, 11x out, 3x plus 8. Okay, to find the factorization, to find the prime number, to check whether the number is prime or not, you check the number by all the divisibility methods. Then if it is divisible by anyone, this is not the prime number. To check the prime number, divisibility rule is very must. Then to a quick mental maths. For the quick mental maths, divisibility rule, all the rules you need to be masters. Then the final one is, in competitive examinations, there are some numbers are in particular pattern. To check the pattern, if you know the divisibility rules, then you can find out whether the numbers are in particular division pattern. Okay. Let us see one by one divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2. What is the rule? Check the last digit. If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible. Then the number is divisible. Why to check the last digits? Because 10 is divisible by 2. If the 10 is divisible by 2, then the last digit only we have to focus. If the last digit is divisible by 2, then the entire number is divisible by 2. If the last digit is not divisible by 2, then the entire number is not divisible by 2. Okay, for example, now I am giving 2, 2, 1, 346, 0, 7, 8, 6, 2. Okay, this number, look at this, 7862. Last digit is 2. 2 is divisible by 2. So it is divisible. 7862 is divisible by 2. 2221. Last digit is 1. So 1 is not divisible by 2. So 2221 is also not divisible by 2. 3460. 0 is also included. It is divisible by 2. So 3460 is also is divisible by 2. Then next is divisible by 3. What is the rule for divisible by 3? We may assume, okay, divisible by 2, last digit is divided by 2. The same way we may think it over 369. The last digit is 369. It may be divisible by 3. No. 12. 12 is divisible by 3, but the last digit is 2. So 13, last digit is 3, but it is not divisible by 3. So there is one rule. If you add all the digits in that number, then, for example, 4371. Add all this number, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So 4371 is also divisible by 3. You check it out. 33, 36, 39. You see 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. 6, 9, 12 all are divisible by 3. So 33, 36, 37, 9 is also divisible by 3. Why? How this rule applies? For example, in the 12. 12 means 10 plus 2. Okay. In 10, 3 will go 3 times. What is the balance remaining? 1 is remaining. So this 10 means this 2 plus 1, 3. So 12 is divisible by 3. You see, 2, one number. In the 10, how much balance after dividing by 3? Remaining is 1. So that 1 plus 2 is 3. So this 12 is also divisible by 3. For example, 18, 8. In the 10, there is 1 remaining. Okay. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. You understand why the combination of the digits is if it is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. The rule is because in the 10 there is 1 remaining. In the 20 there is incidentally 2 is remaining. For example, 27. 27, the last digit is 7. In 20, how many times the 3 will go? 6 times 3 will go. Then the remaining is 2. So this 7 plus 2 is 9. Understand? So in the 10, 1 remaining. In the 20, 2 remaining. In the 30, there is no remaining. So incidentally, in the 10, 1 remaining, 20, 2 remaining means we are adding these digits. We are adding these digits. Then we are, if the combined digit is divisible by 3, then the entire number is also divisible by 3. Then the next one, divisible by, okay, one check, we will do it. Okay, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 3, 4, 5 is divisible by 3. 6, 1, 0. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. So 6, 1, 0 is not divisible by 3. 7, 2, 9, 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is 7296 also is divisible by 3. Divisible by 4. By 4, what is the rule? By 2, we checked only last digit. By 4, we have to check last 2 digits. Why? Why? Because 10 is not divisible by 4, but 100 is divisible by 4. Suppose 128, you no need to worry about 100. Suppose 3736. 3700 you no need to worry about. This is divisible by 4. Now we have to focus only the last digits, last 2 digits. So 36 is divisible by 4, 28 is divisible by 4. Okay. For 2, last 1 digit. For 4, last 2 digits. Just we will check it out. Last 2 digits 10. 10 is not divisible by 4. So 310 is not divisible by 4. 84, 21 times 4. So it is divisible by 4. 784 is divisible by 4. 24, 3124. 24 is divisible by 4. 6 times 4. So 3124 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now divisibility by 5. By 5, 10 is divisible by 5. So we have to, if the 10 is divisible by 5, then we have to focus only the last digits like 2. Okay, so the number ends with 0, 5, last digit, then that number is divisible by 5. You understand? Very simple divisibility by 5. For example, 735, 840, 556. Last digit is not divisible by 5. So the 556 no. Last digit is 5. So 735 is divisible by 5. Last digit is 0. So 840 is divisible by 5. Okay. Divisible by 2. Check the last digit. 02468. Divisibility by 3, add all the digits. If it is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4, check the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5, check the last digit. If it is 0 or 5, then the entire number is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6 is simple one. If the number is divisible by 2 and by 3, then that number is divisible by 6. For example, okay, 720 divisible by 2, we will see first. Yes, 720 is divisible by 2. 345, no. 100, no. 100, yes. It is divisible. Then come for 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. 100. It is not divisible by 3. Add 1. 1 is not divisible by 3. So here only 2 and 3 is matching. Okay, here 3, 4, 5 is divisible by 3, but it is not by 2. So this cannot be divisible by 6. By 6, no. 100 by 6, no. But 720 by 6, yes. How? Because the last digit is, because 720 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Okay. Now divisible by 7, this is little tricky. Generally it is better check by the normal method. But divisible by 7, just suppose $357. Okay. See the last digit. See the last digit 7. Multiply it. 7 times 2 is 14. Multiply by 2. Then 35 minus 14, it is 21. 21 is divisible by 7. So this 357 is divisible by 7. See the last digit, multiply the last digit by 2, then you subtract that number, you subtract from the remaining number. For example, okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 412 minus 6 is 406. 406 is, you can again check it out. 6 is divisible, multiplied by 2 is 12. 40 minus 12 is 28. 28 is divisible by 7. So 4123 is also divisible by 7. Okay. Now check 4123. We found it is divisible by 7. Let us see one more time by manually. Divisible by 7 means in 41 how many times 7 will go? 5 times. So 35. Balance 6. 62. 8 times 7. 56. Then 63. 9 times 7 is 63. 0. So 5, 8, 9. That is not important here. Balance is 0. So this number is divisible by 7. Okay. One more example if you want, we will take it out. Okay, 496. Take 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is what? 12. 49 minus 12, 37. 37 is not divisible by 7. So 496 is also not divisible by 7. Okay. Divisible by 8. 10 is divisible by 2, so we are checking last digit. 100 is divisible by 4, so we are checking last 2 digits. 100 is not divisible by 8, only 1000 is divisible by 8. So we have to check last 3 digits. For example, 3440. What we have to do? Check only 4440. 440 only we have to check it out, because 3000 is divisible by 8. Okay? Okay, for example, check it out. 1000, leave it. 112 only check. 112, 86 and 18, 88, 96. Yes, 112 is divisible by 8. So 1112 is also divisible by 8. 216. Okay, 216, 200 is divisible by 8. 16 also divisible by 8. So 4216 is divisible by 8. Okay, divisible by 9, there is very simple rule like 3. Add all the digits and check whether it is divisible by 9. If it is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. For example, okay, add all the digits. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So 3429 is also divisible by 9. Okay, what is the secret is, in 10 balance is 1 after dividing by 9. In 20 the balance is 2 when after dividing by 8. The remaining is 2. For 30 it is 3. So what it is, just 10 means 1, 20 means 2, 30 means 3. So only we have to combine all the digits, add all the digits and check whether it is divisible by 9. If it is divisible by 9, the entire number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 10, that is very simple rule, everyone knows. Check the last digit whether it is 0. Okay. Divisible by 11. This is good rule. Okay. Just add alternate digits. 3 plus 5 plus 1 is 3, 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. Here add all the digits. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 9 is 11. If the difference is either 0 or 11 or 22, then that number is divisible by 11. You understand? Just add alternate digits this side. Okay. Then subtract. The difference should be 0, 11, 22, 33. Then the number is divisible by 11. For example, okay, here 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 11. So 3, 4, 9 are also not divisible by 11. Suppose instead of 4, if it is 1 is there, 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. Then 319 is divisible by 11. Check it out. For 31, 2 times 22. Then the balance is 99, 99 9 times, so the balance will be 0. Okay, we checked whether if it is divisible by 2, check the last digit. If it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. For 3, just add all the digits. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For 4, last 2 digits. If it is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For 5, last digit. Last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. For 6, if it is divisible by 2 or 3, then 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. For 7, twice the last digit and subtract from the sum of the numbers, the balance is, the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. For 8, last 3 digits, if it is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. For 9, add all the digits like 3 and check whether it is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For 10, last digit. For 11, add alternate digits, 2 sets, and find the difference. If the difference is 0, 11, 22, then the number is divisible by 11. Or if it is not 0, 11 or 22, then the number is not divisible. Okay, let us check one quick check we will do. Okay, check it out. Now 462 is divisible by 2 because last digit is 2. Here 3, no. 4, yes. 8, last digit is 8, so it is yes. 0, yes. 5, no. 3, no. Okay. For 3, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 12, 2 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so it is yes. 12 is not divisible by 9, so here no. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3 and 9 is divisible by 9 also. So here we will 3 1 2 3 is divisible by 9. 3 6 2 4. Check it out. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 15 is not divisible by 9. Got it. 4 9 2 8. 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 8 is 23, 23 is not divisible by 3, then it will not be 9 also. 3 1 2 0, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 is divisible by 3, 6 is not divisible by 9. 7 3 5, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 is divisible by 3, 15 is not divisible by 9. 6 3 6 3, so it is 18, 18 is divisible by 3, 18 is divisible by 9. Okay, we have checked all these numbers with the 2, 3 and 9. Okay, we finished. And come for 6. If both number is divisible, if the number is divided by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Okay. 462 is divided by 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6. Here no, here yes, here no, here yes, no, no. Understand? If anyone, either it is not divisible by 2 or 3, then the number is not divisible by 6. 4, you can check it out. If it is not divisible by 2, then there is no need, it will not be divisible by 4 also. Check the last 2 digits. 62, no. 24, yes. 28, yes. 20, yes. Got it? Okay. If the number is not divisible by 4, then it will not be divisible by 8 also. Cancel these 4's. Now we have to focus only these 3 numbers. 624, yes, it is 624 is divisible by 8. 928, yes, 800, 128, 128, yes, it is divisible by. How do you know it? 928, you split it. 928 is 800 plus 128. 800 is divisible by 8. Okay, leave it. Then 120. 80 plus 40, 120 is divisible by 8, then the balance is 8 only. So 8 is 4928 is divisible by 8. 120, 3120, it is divisible by 8. Good. Okay, divisible by 5, very simple, 0 and 3120, 735. Remaining all no. Divisibility by 7. 2, last digit is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 46 minus 44 is 42. 42 is not divisible by 7. 3123. 3. Last digit is 3. Multiply by 2, 6. 312 minus 6 is 306. 306 is it is not divisible by 7. Okay. 3624. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 362 minus 8 is 354. 354 is not divisible by 7. Why? Because 350 is divisible by 7, only 4 will not be. 8, 4928. 8 is divisible. 8, if you multiply by 2, it is 16. 16, 492 minus 16 is 476. 476, check it out. 350, 420, 455, 462, 469, 476 is divisible. Okay, 350, then 140, 490. 490 minus 14 is 476. 476 is divisible by 7. Okay. 3120, last digit is 0. Okay, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. So 312. 312 is not divisible by 7. 735, last digit is 5. 5 is, if you multiply by 2, it will be 10. 73 minus 10 is 63. 63 is divisible by 7. So 735 is divisible by 7. 363, last digit is 3. 3 is multiplied by 2 is 6. 636 minus 636 minus 6 is 630. 630 means 63. 63 is divisible by 7. Okay, so 6363 is also divisible by 7. 11, alternate digit. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3123. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 11. 11 is 5 minus 4 is 1. So it is not divisible by 11. 462 is, the difference is 0. So it is divisible by 11. 3624. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So it is not divisible by 11. 4928. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 minus 6 is 11. 11. So 4928 is divisible by 11. 3120. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So no. 735. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. So it is not. 6363. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3 plus 3 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 is not divisible by 11. So there are simple rules. If you know the divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 the rules, then you know whether the number is divisible by any of these numbers. If you know that, it is very simple to simplify the fractions and factorization, highest common factor you can easily find out, and you can check whether the number is prime number or not, and you can see the pattern whether the number is in which pattern. In some competitive examination, numbers will be in some particular patterns. You can see it if you are master in the divisibility rules. Thank you for watching. Watch it out.